Before V-Mobile, I was working as a civil engineer for the government. So, syempre, gobyerno, madaming nasa site ka lang, nasa kalsada, mainit, ganyan, pag inutos, gawa. Nakita ko naman, sabi ko, pag trabaho siguro, madami ng pera, makakabili na ako ng kotse, ng bahay. Then when I started working, nakita ko parang ang hirap. So, sabi ko, I need something better. V-Mobile was introduced actually by my brother. And I was still working back then. Then I saw, mga bata to, baka naglalaro lang sila. Then, syempre, umaandar yung pride. But then again, sabi ko sarili ko, yung batang yon na nasa labas ng bahay ko, yung kotse BMW, hindi ko nga alam paano ko mabibili yon. So, that's when I started to bring down my pride. And sabi ko, why not try it? First few weeks, I saw the business. Nagbukas agad ako ng Facebook. Sabi ko, sino i-invite ko? Hindi ko alam eh. So, bigla nakita ko na lang, si ganito pwede mag-interested, si ganito, si ganyan, ganyan. Then that's when I started doing it every day, panggising hanggang matulog. Before, it's very simple. Papasok, lalabas, konting pera, nasa bulsa mo, 100, 200, okay na. Then with V-Mobile now, hindi mo na iniisip kung magkano yung gagastusin mo. You can buy things you want. You can help your family. At the same time, marami ka rin nagiging kaibigan. Siyempre, dati kala mo pag naka-MacBook, mayaman na. Ngayon, meron na akong sarili, I have phone, so pati gadget. Siyempre, pag bata ka, yun pa yung mga nakikita mo. Dapat may pangarap ka. Lahat ng tao may pangarap eh. You just have to look for that dream and do what it takes to get that dream. So, just hold on to your dreams. Lahat naman posible, lalo na with V-Mobile. Hi, I'm Nico. I'm a civil engineer.